Hello everyone, my name is Harimohan Bassi and I will taught you basics of trigonometric ratio and coordinate geometry. So trigonometry deal with right angle triangle. So we have a right angle triangle ACD. Why we not take B? Because B is the base here we taken. So in trigonometric ratio, this is the side is base, this side is perpendicular and this side is hypotenuse, and this angle is of 90 degree. As we know that right angle triangle is the triangle in which one angle is equal to the 90 degree. So the trigonometric ratio are sine theta perpendicular over hypotenuse, then after sine theta cos theta base upon hypotenuse, then tan theta is perpendicular over base. So next are the reverse identity. We called it also as reverse identity, that is cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is the reverse of sine theta, 1 upon sine theta, that is h upon p. Then secant theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. So cos theta is base upon hypota, so secant theta is equal to h upon b, hypotenuse upon base. Next is cot theta. Cot theta is base upon perpendicular. Okay, so generally we use a formula, that is Pandit Badri Prasad Hari Hari Bole Sona Chandi Tole. Means sin theta is equal to perpendicular over hypota, cos theta is equal to base upon hypota, tan theta is equal to perpendicular over base. So in general we remember this formula, Pandit Badri Prasad Hari Hari Bole Sona Chandi Tole. So let us solve a question, that is we take a question that is sin theta is 3/5, then find the value of other trigonometric ratio, means cos theta, tan theta, secant theta, cot theta or cosecant theta. So we solve it. Solution is here. As we know that sin theta is equal to 3/5, sin theta perpendicular over hypota. So by Pythagoras theorem, h square is equal to p square plus v square. So that is 5 square is equal to 3 square plus b square. So from here v square is equal to 25 minus 9. b square is equal to 25 minus 9, 16. So value of b is 4. Okay, so all value we got, perpendicular we got, hypota we have, and base we have. So we find cos theta, value of cos theta is equal to perpendicular over hypota, that is 4/5. Value of tan theta is equal to p upon v, that is 3/4. Value of cosecant theta h upon p, hypota upon perpendicular, 5/3. Then secant theta h upon b, that is hypota upon base, 5/4. And cot theta b upon p, that is 4/3. So and we take another example. If value of tan theta is equal to 3/4, find all other trigonometric ratios. So tan theta is equal to perpendicular over base. Okay, so here you understand this question. So we will do next second one, that is given here. So perpendicular is equal to 3, base is equal to 4. So again we apply Pythagoras theorem, h square is equal to p square plus v square. So that is h square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square, that is 9 plus 16, that is hypota is equal to 5. So we can find all other trigonometric ratio as like we have solved in the question 1. So these are 6 trigonometric ratio generally we used in this chapter. Okay, then coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry we will discuss only distance formula. So distance formula, it is used to find the distance between 2 points as a x1 y1 and v x2 y2. Okay, so distance between 2 points is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, so we generally learn this formula, that is distance AB is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. We take an example, find the distance between A 4 9 and B 3 4. So distance AB is equal to 3 minus 4 square plus 4 minus 9 square. Here x1 is equal to 4, x2 3, y1 9 by 2 4. So that is minus 1 3 minus 4 square plus 4 minus 9 square minus 1 square plus minus 5 square, that is 1 plus 25, that is roots 26 units. So, okay, so this is the basics of trigonometric, ratio and coordinate geometry. Thank you everyone.